Oh, Jesus!
Niebywałe tej. Niebywałe tej. Zaatakował go.
Co to jest?
Zaatakował Czakiego. Puść go.
Łapcie Czakiego.
Puść go.
Nie, łap Czakiego najpierw.
Weź go na ręce.
On go zaatakuje znowu.
Ale panika.
Kurwa, co za grozna.
And does he catch the rabbit? What? Is he gonna catch the rabbit? No. Get your bird, dude.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, come on.
Here he goes.
Monitor it, yeah. Liam's come down to do afternoon monitoring anyway, wasn't he? Yeah. So this is what that Ben's been spotting from back at the place, is it?
Yeah, he's coming back to this one. It was just sitting, freaking him out.
Oh. Yeah. What time was that? Oh, okay, yeah.
He's fighting back. Look at him. I can't believe it. That's amazing.
fair
He's
enough.
fighting
Yeah,
back.
it'd be interesting.
Oh,
Is it
there's
basically
three
where it
now.
was smouldering yesterday?
They're not actually gonna.
I assume.
They're not attacking though. They're gonna try.
Yeah.
He's gonna go. Oh my god. That's amazing.
Yep. Yeah.
No.
He wanted to sort of get an update at least at the end of the day, so. We're just watching a witchy sort of hassle and woo.
It's a massive
at the
kangaroo.
Dakota
What are they
burn, yeah.
trying to do?
Sweet. Oh, I got the girls on board.